Hi everybody, welcome to my channel, Rosie Cooks. I'm making meatloaf. This is everything I'm going to put in it. This is ground beef, a beaten egg. This right here is equivalent to 1 bell pepper. I just happen to have various colors and that's going to make it look really nice. This is Worcestershire sauce, onion, ketchup, various spices, and breadcrumbs. Let's put this together. And here we are, you guys. I have all my ingredients in a large bowl. Everything except for the ketchup. We'll add that later. So now I'm going to mix this together. You can use your hands. You can do it any way you want to. I like using a glove. Okay, so we're going to mix this all together. I have a preheated 375-degree oven waiting. Let's get this all mixed together. It's all shaped and formed in my pan, so we're going to put it in the oven for 40 minutes. Here's my meatloaf, you guys. It's been 40 minutes. It's not completely done, so now I'm going to add some ketchup to the top. And then I'm going to put it back in the oven for another 15 to 20 minutes until the internal temperature reaches 160. And here's my beautiful meatloaf. Look at all that good stuff inside. I have some veggies on the side. These are mashed potatoes and gravy. This is dinner for tonight. Yummy. It took me 55 minutes at 375. And I stopped after 40 minutes and put the ketchup on top. You could use barbecue sauce as well. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe and I will see you next time.